welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to compress and decompress files quickly and using only built-in tools in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly we are click the file or image which we compress, right click on it. Here you will see compress to zip file. Here you will see a folder created. You can rename it according to your wish. And double click on it, you will see the file will be compressed. If you create zip with multiple files, then you want to select multiple files. For example, I'm clicking this and control this. I'm selecting 3 images, right click on it, then click on compress to zip file. Here my new zip file will be created. Here you will see all the 3 files in this. Now it's time to decompress the file. Right click on it. Here you will see extract all. You can choose destination where you extract the files. Then extract. Click on extract. You will see the images will be created on a new folder. All will be extracted. If you want to quick extraction from without any file, you just right click on the screen. Here you will see new, then create on compressed zip folder. New zip folder will be created. Here you will see this is empty. So which file you need to compress in this, just drag the file. Now we will see all the images will be dragged to the folder. If you password protect your zip file, to add password you need third party software, but for basic compression Windows Zip works perfectly. And that's how you compress and decompress files quickly using only the inbuilt tools. No extra software needed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and let me know what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.